I know, man. It just keeps going down, and I'm afraid I'm gonna go back to. Boy, I don't even want to say, but like.
This guy, he's like, I want to get out with you guys. Go ahead, kid. I got you, bud. I got you.